Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, you are welcome. Please subscribe and support the channel. In today's video, I am going to show how I have decorated the entrance of the puja room in our Chennai home. Without much ado, let's go into the video. This is how the entrance looks now. I have already fixed some picture frames and also some floating shelves. Also gathered some brass diyas or bilakku for decoration. The Ashtalakshmi images are hand carved in 8 independent frames and then fixed in the door of the puja room. The handles of the puja room door has this elephant motif. Above the puja room door, we have carved the image of Lakshmi with 2 elephants. I hung some picture frames on both sides of the puja room. This peacock painting was done by my elder son. This peacock, which is made of silk thread, is almost 28 years old. Let's now organize the brass diyas and decorate the left side of the puja room entrance. The center brass peacock virakku is a vintage item and was given to me by my mother. Even these wooden stools which I am using to keep these diyas are my mother's. Now let's start decorating the 2 mini floating shelves. Most of the items I am placing in these 2 floating shelves are gifts received at various times. Placing this dancing lady idol in front of Nadarajar. Now let's move on to the right side of the puja room entrance. This beautiful wooden stool with the elephant base and a frame carved with elephant was bought from Zambia. We have to fix a lamp shade to the top of the frame. I am yet looking for one. Placing this pot holder to avoid staining of the wooden plant when I place the urli with water. Every Thursday, we remove the old flowers, clean the entrance, and then on Friday, we keep new flowers. Shiv idol is made of paper mold, and I saw this in a shop when I was doing masters in Karaikudi. I liked it so much and I bought it. It's almost 20 years old now. This is the overall view of our puja room in Chennai home. The inside of the puja room is kept very simple so that my mother can easily manage. I will have another video on our puja room in Zambia home. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please share with friends and encourage them to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.